Time for a book review of Sleigh Bells and Snowstorms by Claire Kingsley. I have never read a Claire Kingsley book before, so this was my first book by this author, and I'm gonna say I really, really loved it, and I cannot wait to dive into her backlist. This was the perfect combination of romantic suspense and holiday book. I loved Natalie and Jensen as main characters. It was so fun. Their story was a little fast paced and a little out there, but I really, really enjoyed it. I thought it came together really well. I loved the romance. I loved Jensen. He was such a fun MMC. Natalie was super relatable to me. I loved the suspense plot. It kept me on the edge of my seat. Overall, this was super fun, and I cannot wait to read more.